What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Prebiotics before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Prebiotics works. What is Prebiotics? Prebiotics is an advanced probiotic supplement formulated to restore and maintain a healthy balance in the gut microbiome. The microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which can influence digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even mental health. Prebiotics contains a unique blend of probiotics and prebiotics that can help restore the natural balance of the gut, reduce bloating, support immune function, and improve digestion. Key ingredients. Prebiotics formula contains a carefully selected mix of ingredients, all of which work together to enhance gut health. Probiotic Strains. The supplement features several powerful probiotic strains such as Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium lactis, and Saccharomyces boulardii, which are known for their beneficial effects on gut health. These probiotics help balance the gut flora by promoting the growth of good bacteria, while inhibiting harmful bacteria. Prebiotics. Prebiotics also includes prebiotics like FOS and Inulin, which serve as food for the probiotics, ensuring they thrive and help maintain a balanced gut environment. Benefits of Prebiotics. Supports healthy digestion. Prebiotics helps optimize digestion by introducing good bacteria into the gut, which can improve nutrient absorption and reduce common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. Improves immune function. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system. The probiotics in Prebiotics can support the immune system by enhancing the gut's defense mechanisms, helping to prevent infections and inflammation. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to various health issues, including IBS, discomfort, and fatigue. Prebiotics probiotic strains have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote a healthier gut lining. How to take Prebiotics. The recommended dosage is 1 capsule per day, typically taken with a meal. It's essential to follow the dosage instructions on the label to experience the maximum benefits. Since Prebiotics works to gradually restore gut health, it may take a few weeks of consistent use to notice significant results.